Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find and recover your deleted apps on your Android phone. So if you go to the Google Play Store, if we ever downloaded an application from here, well, it's going to be saved to our account. So we can go to the top right here and just select this and scroll on down to Manage Apps and Devices. Now under here, we can go to Manage on the top, and we can select this device right here. And we can go on over to Not Installed. So if we had an application installed and we uninstalled it, well, it should be under this category of stuff now. So we can scroll on through here, and we can see some applications that pretty much no longer exist. Because I had my Google phone in maybe like 2012 or something like that. So I have all these different applications on here, so we can check it right there. Then we got this device. So just look at that category too to see if there's any applications that are currently not installed. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.